Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to find the value of x where 4 to the power x is equal to 400, or this 4 we can write it as 2 square. This is 4 and whole to the power of this x is equal to right side is 400, or according to exponential formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So applying this, we can write left side as 2 to the power of this 2 times x, that is twice x, is equal to this 400. Now taking log to the both side, we can write log of this left side 2 to the power twice x is equal to right side log of this 400, or applying logarithm formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So we can write this twice x times log of 2. Log of 2 is equal to this log, and 400, this can be written as 2 to the power 4, this is 16, times 25 is 400 and 25 is 5 square. So 2 to the power 4 is 16 and 5 square is 25, and 16 times 25 is 400. Or left side twice x times log of 2 is equal to, applying formula, log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So applying this formula, log of this 2 to the power 4, this is log a, plus log b, that means log of this 5 square. Or left side, this is twice x times log of 2 is equal to, again applying formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So it will be 4 times this log of 2. Similarly, this term we can write it as this 2 times this log of 5. Log of 5. Now divided both side by 2 times log of 2, we will get the value of x. So left side, this will be twice x log of 2 and divided by 2 times log of 2, and right side will be 4 log of 2 divided by 2 log of 2, plus second term 2 log of 5 divided by this 2 log of 2. We have divided every term by 2 times log of 2. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel, and log of 2 will cancel, and it will remain x is equal to, from right side this log of 2 and log of 2 will cancel, and 4 divided by 2, here it will remain 2. So this is 2, plus in this term this 2 and this 2 will cancel, and it will be log of 5 divided by this log of 2. So the value of x is equal to this 2 plus log of a divided by log of b. We can write this as log b base of a. So applying this, we can write this 2 base of this 5. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.